Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to insert an image in Google Sheets. First, click on the cell where you want the image to appear. Then, click Insert in the top menu, hover over Image, then select between Insert Image in Cell or Insert Image over Cells. For this example, let's select the Insert Image over Cells option. A pop-up dialog box will appear. You can now choose to upload an image from your computer, from your webcam, from a link from Photos, from Google Drive, and from Google Images. Let us upload from the computer by clicking the blue Browse button. Your File Explorer will open where you can select an image from. Click your image, then click Open. The image will be inserted over the cells. So, that is how you insert an image in Google Sheets. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.